Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this AK NGRS, the AKS with the short foldable stock. We've installed the IF product wood kit on there. We've got the Jeftron Leviathan MOSFET installed, which obviously retains the bolt stop system. We've got the warhead 35k motor. We've got the Prometheus 20:1 gears. We've got the Prometheus bushings. We've got the Prometheus piston head. We've got the anti-reverse latch, FPS spring guide, FPS cylinder head, FPS piston. We've got the Psionic R-hop, which we combine with the Prometheus barrel that was already in the gun. We've got the EagleSix M105 spacer with one F105 spring plus one spacer, which is getting us 263 FPS, and on 3.2s, which is obviously a decent number to be at. There we go. So all tested and working. Obviously recoil system, bolt detection system for obviously when the mag's empty. Full metal construction, now a full wood kit. I don't know how people don't rate these as one of the best AKs on the market, so especially when you have the accuracy that these things do, and obviously the robust construction. This feels fantastic. So yeah, but I know there's obviously AK purists out there, so yeah, we hope you enjoy. Yeah, any problems let us know, but otherwise have lots of fun. Thank you.